What is maintenance and cure? So those who work aboard vessels are considered seamen. And when a seaman is ill or becomes injured aboard the vessel, they don't have state workers' compensation like those who work on the shore. Instead, they have a maritime law doctrine called maintenance and cure. Maintenance and cure, just like it sounds, has two components, the maintenance and the cure. The maintenance is a daily stipend to cover food and lodging while that seaman is shoreside getting treatment or recovering from that injury or illness. Cure is the cost of all that medical treatment. So your medical bills, whatever it is, that's part of the cure. So the employer is required under general maritime law to pay both maintenance, the daily stipend for food and lodging, and cure, the medical costs, to a seaman who's injured or becomes ill while aboard the vessel and has to seek treatment off the vessel. So if you are a seaman and work aboard a vessel and you ever become ill or injured and have to go shoreside for treatment, make sure that you're getting what you're entitled to under your rights of the general maritime law.